This video will cover the many uses a cast iron pan can bring to the high heat pizza oven cooking experience. In fact, I wouldn't be without one ever. And this is because I wouldn't be able to control my pizza stone temperature as quickly and effectively without it. I found some old footage I thought I'd lost using the Ooni Pro, the Fyra and the Koda 12, and I noticed something that popped up very frequently. It was the cast iron pan and how many times I had used it and how many times I needed it, and I still do. A cast iron pan is fantastic for cooking dishes due to its ability to not melt in high heat ovens. But it's a lot more useful than that. It can remove heat from a hot stone very quickly due to several factors. This is because cast iron is an excellent conductor of heat, and when it's placed in contact with a hot stone, the cast iron pan will rapidly absorb the heat from the stone due to its high thermal conductivity. This allows the heat to transfer efficiently from the stone to the pan. From my experience of using the pan, no matter which oven I am using, I can reduce the heat by at least 60 Celsius in 60 seconds. So you will need to monitor the time that the pan is in the oven very carefully. Cast iron pans typically have a large surface area in contact with the hot stone, and this maximizes the amount of heat that can be transferred from the stone to the pan, speeding up the cooling process of the stone. They are relatively heavy and have a high thermal mass, and this means they can absorb and retain a significant amount of heat energy. As the pan absorbs heat from the stone, its temperature increases, drawing even more heat away from the stone and further accelerating the cooling process. Placing the cast iron pan directly on top of the hot stone ensures efficient heat transfer between the two surfaces. And this direct contact allows for rapid heat exchange, enabling the cast iron pan to quickly remove heat from the stone. This is excellent for managing high heat oven temperatures, because that's the hardest thing. The more wood you put in, the more cooks you make, the hotter the stone gets. And this is such a fast and effective way of taking that heat out very quickly, so you've got full control over your stone. The combination of high thermal conductivity, large surface area and direct contact make cast iron pans very effective at removing heat from hot pizza stones swiftly and effectively. And that's why I love them. The pan can also hold some delicious dishes and creations that can be cooked at very high pizza oven temperatures. And the best type of pan to use for the purpose of reducing the stone temperature is one with a handle. This makes it easy to place and remove the pan without burning your hands. I have two cast iron pans, one without handles and one with. The pan I use with no handles allows me to turn it fully inside the oven. I can then clip a handle onto it when I need to remove it. I use the handled pan only for the purpose of reducing the stone temperature. Cast iron can be heated to very high temperatures, and the melting point of pure iron is approximately 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 1,204 degrees Celsius. However, cast iron contains other elements such as carbon, silicon, manganese, which will lower its melting point. Whilst cast iron can withstand high temperatures, it's important to note that extreme heat, a heat level higher than these pizza ovens can go, can cause damage to the seasoning, that is the layer of oil on the surface of the pan, leading to degradation or even cracking. Additionally, rapid changes in temperature, such as placing a hot cast iron pan under cold water, can cause thermal shock and potentially crack the pan. So when you have finished with the pan, wait for it to cool down, then wash it and season ready for the next time. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!